All right, everybody, welcome back. We have gears with conditionals. This is level 4 of lesson 16. So let's make the gear spin only if the space key is being held down. Add code that will check if the space key is being pressed down. Add an if statement. All right. So right there. Um, use the key down to detect. Okay, so we're going to come in here, key down, and we're looking for the space bar. All right. Adjust the program so that the gears only rotate when the space key is pressed down. Move the 3 lines of code that make the gears rotate with the counter pattern inside the if statement. All right, so that would be this and this and this because it's the rotation. So rotate gets rotate minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. All right, so run. All right, space. Oh, look at that. That was easy. Cool. All right. So I'll see you guys on the next level. Here we go.